Welcome back to my channel. This time I show you a winter makeup which is also a little bit warm and glowy, so you can wear it the whole year. First of all, I use the hydrating primer from Mercier to hydrate the skin. It's really important, especially when you have a long day. Then I love to use from Caudelie the beauty elixir. It's like a little spa. And then I use the Milk Makeup Primer, which has a lot of grip, so you feel it that the makeup will stay the whole day. And because we have a bridal makeup this time, or maybe you want to do this makeup for a long day, so I use from Fenty Beauty the Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the color 190. So you will find every product in the description box. I blend the makeup also to the neck because it's a little bit lighter under the neck. Then I use from Huda Beauty the concealer in the color Marshmallow, and I put it under the eyes, in the forehead, on the nose, around the nose because of a little bit of redness, and I try to make some dimension in her face because afterwards I will of course contour the face. So I blend the product in with my pencil, but also I use my finger to tap it in to melt the product into the skin. So afterwards I use from Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out in the color Butter Biscuit, and it's a really nice color. It's not too cold, not too warm, have a fresh bronze glow, it's easy to blend, and it's also sweat resistant. So you can see that I'm on the cheekbones and I try to lift the face a little bit up. Of course, for a long-lasting makeup, you should use an eyeshadow primer. And yeah, I put it on an eyelid and afterwards I blend it in with my pencil brush. From Bare Minerals, I used the color Bubbly from the Cozy Chalet palette. It's a nice color. It looks a little bit cold, but it isn't. It's a little bit warm. It has a yellow undertone, but it looks beautiful on the eyes. So in the crease of the eye, I used the color Cashmere. It's a matte shade, and I blended a little bit out. So now I use the color Glimmer. It's a light peachy tone and it's a complementary color to her blue eyes. So now it's time for a small eyeliner, and I use the brown color from Inglot, and it's waterproof. Yeah, you have to work a little bit faster because it dries super fast and it stays the whole night. And even I do some mistakes, so I have to correct it. So I don't know why, but it was a little bit electric between us. So I got some electricity from her, but it was really funny. So now I use the color Glow with a small pencil brush and I blend the eyeliner a little bit in to make it a little bit softer. I curl the lashes to open the eyes and then I put some waterproof mascara on and I used a half lash on the end of the eye and to open the eye to give you some wing, and it looks really glamorous, but it's not too heavy, and so you can see enough from the eyeshadow, but it looks glamorous. With a brow soap, I put the eyebrows a little bit up and afterwards I will fill them in, but a little bit later. Now they have to dry. So now I use the Hollywood filter from Charlotte Tilbury to glow the skin a little bit up. I love blush, especially cream blush, and for this look I use from Fenty Beauty the color Strawberry Drip, and I put it on the cheeks with my finger and I blend it into the skin in, and also I put some on the nose to have this glowy fresh winter looking. So now the eyebrows are dry and I use from NYX the color Ash Brown, and I make some strokes into the eyebrows to make them fuller. So now I use a waterproof lip liner in like a rosé wood color, and I make them a little bit bigger. Now I use a lighter lipstick. It's a waterproof lipstick from Maybelline, and I fill the lips completely in with this color. Now I use for the inner corner of the eye again the color Bubbly to light them a little bit more up. Now I use the color Affogato and I use it for the under eyelids to open more the eyes. So we are finished. This is the final result, and it looks really amazing to her. She's a beautiful woman and she's so lovely, and we had an amazing shoot. So take a look, subscribe my channel. I would love to see you again. Thank you for your time.